Hi.
Good one. And Stephanie in Greenbelt, Maryland says, hi, Chica. I just went to the
Hi.
gym with my mom. Way to go, Stephanie. Pump it up. All right, let's go play with Caillou, Sproutlets.
Every morning, Chica prepares. She does everything she can to get ready for her day. But she can't start the Sunny Side Up show without Sproutlets like you. Be a
Hi,
part of the show by
baby.
visiting the Sunshine Barn
Hi,
at
Mia.
SunOnline.com. While you're there, tell Chica how you're a good egg, what the weather's like where you live,
Today was good.
and how you like to dress her up. Don't forget to join the party with your birthdays and Barnyard Boogie moves too.
Let's see who's going to be dancing with us today, Sproutlets.
Chica needs your help to make the Sunny Side Up show as bright as
Say
can
hi to
be.
Sunny.
So rise and